One color, one challenge. Can I create a masterpiece with just a single shade out of this whole spectrum? We'll need to find that out. This might be my toughest watercolor test yet, but the result? You won't believe it. Now there are so many colors on my palette. Yellow, orange, red, green. But today, I'm going to pick up something completely different. That's it. This one shade will be my entire painting palette, and that is turquoise. And now, armed with just a brush, water and a single tube of paint, let's see if this is even possible. The first step, a simple sketch, just a guide to bring my vision to life. Although you still see my whole palette here, I will be using only the chosen one color, and that is turquoise. As the painting progresses, you will notice I am adding water to the color on my palette for the lighter values and variations of black for the darker values. Black is a neutral color, and so our painting still remains monochromatic. With only one color, I will have to get creative with layering and contrast. Now, if you have watched my earlier videos, you must be already familiar that I work in layers as per the light direction. Likewise, here I am laying down the initial layers as per the light direction, which is from the right side for this painting. So let me complete the initial layers and get back to you again. In watercolors, we mostly work from light to dark, and so I have already put in all my light values in the initial layers itself. Here onwards, I will have to put in my middle and dark values. For this, I will be using the original color and mixing it with varied amounts of black to give me an entire range of middle and dark values. This is the magic of watercolor. Watch how the pigment dances with water, creating effortless gradients. Now let's take this from simple to stunning. Layer by layer, I'm adding depth, contrast and texture. With just water and patience, this painting is now coming to life. Every tiny detail matters, and this is where the magic happens. From a single wash to a fully detailed painting, all in one color. As a finishing touch, I am splattering paint with a toothbrush for a textured effect. Believe me, this is so much fun to do. Who would have thought a single color could create this much depth? And here it is, the final masterpiece. Just one color, but infinite possibilities. So this is how the monochromatic versus the colored one looks like. Let me know in the comments which one you like more. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did working on it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Also press the bell icon on subscribing so you get notifications of future such videos. You are most welcome to enjoy all the other videos on this channel too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.